In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a serial number column in Google Sheets on desktop. We'll explore a few different methods you can use, depending on whether you're looking for static numbers or a dynamic auto-updating list. Let's dive in and break down each approach to suit your needs best. First, let's talk about using the fill handle for a manual and quick solution. This method is perfect for when you have a fixed-length list and want to quickly number the rows. Start by typing the number 1 in the first cell of your serial number column. For example, in cell A2, type 1, then move to the cell directly below, A3, and type 2. Now, here's the neat trick. Select both of these cells. You'll notice a small square at the bottom right corner of the selection. Click and drag this fill handle downwards to extend the pattern to the rest of the column. This method is hassle-free and works beautifully for lists where the length doesn't change frequently. Next, let's explore using the row function for adding serial numbers. This approach is slightly more dynamic than the fill handle. In your first serial number cell, which we can say is A2, input the formula row W. 1. Why the subtraction of 1, you ask? It's because the row function returns the row number of the cell, so if you start with row 2, subtracting 1 gives you 1, which aligns perfectly with a standard numbering system. Once you've entered this formula, drag it down through the rest of your column. You could also simply copy and paste it to fill additional cells. This option is excellent if your list expands systematically. Now, let's consider using the sequence function, especially useful if you have a fixed number of rows in mind. In the top cell, input the formula use sequence 10, 1, 1, 1. What does this do? It generates a list of 10 consecutive numbers starting at 1, each increasing by 1. You can adjust the number 10 to match the rows you need. The sequence function is efficient for creating a preset list length without manually extending cells. Lastly, for those who need a dynamic serial number setup that adjusts automatically with data changes, the array formula is your go-to tool. In the first cell of the serial number column, type eq array formula if B2B, row B2B, row B2 plus 1. Here's how it works. As long as there's data in column B, or whichever column you're using as a reference, this formula generates a serial number. If there's no data, it leaves the cell empty, allowing your list to grow and shrink dynamically as you add or remove rows. Each of these methods offers unique benefits, so choose the one that best aligns with your workflow in Google Sheets. Whether you prefer a manual approach or need an adaptable serial number setup, these options have you covered. Play around with them and find the perfect fit for your project.